Big yet gentle, fierce yet compassionate, the mountain gorilla is an interesting contrast of extremes. These big lumbering giants reside deep within the cloud forests of Central Africa. Mountain gorillas exhibit a keen intelligence and rich emotional and social life. As one of humanity's closest living relatives, they offer a fascinating glimpse into our own evolution and development. Despite their peaceful existence, however, mountain gorillas are now under threat from human encroachment and climate change. Based on one metric of genome size, gorillas share around 98.4% of the same DNA with humans. This is only slightly lower than the 98.7% similarities between chimpanzees and humans. Individual mountain gorillas can be identified by the shape and patterns of their nose, just as humans can be identified by their fingerprints. No two gorillas share the exact same patterns. Due to the silver streak of hair along the backs of adult mountain gorillas, they are also commonly known as silverbacks. Baby mountain gorillas cling to their mother for the first 2 or 3 years of its life. Scent is an important aspect of gorilla communication. Smells can signal nearby threats from predators or the reproductive availability of females. The mountain gorilla is a big, burly primate with long arms, a flat nose, an elongated, almost cone-shaped head, and a big, swollen belly. Its hair is almost completely black or brownish in color, but older males also have a silver or white streak running along the back. The feet, hands, face, and breasts are completely bald. Compared to the closely related eastern lowland subspecies, the mountain gorilla has longer hair, shorter arms, and a bigger physique. This enables them to live in colder conditions that sometimes drop below freezing at night. The typical mountain gorilla is around 4 to 6 feet tall when standing on its 2 legs. This is about the size of a typical person. However, due to their massive bulk, they can weigh 300 to 500 pounds. A male gorilla is typically larger than a female and weighs up to twice as much. Altogether, the mountain gorilla is the second largest primate in the world, behind only the closely related eastern lowland gorilla. The mountain gorilla has a unique method of locomotion known as knuckle walking. This means that it walks around on all 4 limbs with its knuckles curled up on the ground. However, it is also capable of walking on 2 legs for a limited time. Its hands are very dexterous and capable of grasping, tearing, and pulling with a precision only exceeded by human beings. Like other great apes, the mountain gorilla is considered to be one of the most intelligent creatures on the planet. It is believed that they are capable of self-reflection, tool use, and careful planning. Intense studies of captive gorillas such as well-known Coco have revealed that individuals can understand and deploy sign language with some proficiency. They are also highly social creatures that can laugh, grieve, and develop strong attachments to others. Their social behavior is complex and sophisticated. Grooming is an important aspect of social bonding. Not only does it keep the gorillas free of dirt and parasites, but it also reinforces important relationships within the larger group. Gorillas live in small groups called a troop that can sometimes exceed 20 individuals. These groups are composed of a single dominant male, a number of females, and the young offspring. The dominant male is an older adult who provides organization and protection to all of the members. He has nearly exclusive breeding rights with the females. This breeding configuration is known as a harem. Sometimes a few younger males, usually the son or brothers of the leader, may accompany the group, but they are subservient to the dominant male. Subservient males are more likely to disperse from the troop if they cannot achieve reproductive success. They may go off on their own or form temporary all-male bachelor groups. Gorillas have a rather calm and mellow personality most of the time, But if they perceive a threat, then the males can become quite aggressive by pounding the chest and making a terrifying roar. To convey their complex desires and emotions, the mountain gorillas have around 25 different types of vocalizations, expressing everything from alarm to curiosity. And just like humans, body posture and eye contact help to facilitate communication. The gorilla is a largely terrestrial creature that sticks to the land, but it does have a limited ability to climb into trees that will support its weight. Due to their smaller size, young gorillas are somewhat adept tree climbers. Both adults and children can sleep in nests on the ground or the trees. The mountain gorilla is most active during the day and sleeps at night. It also has intermittent breaks during the day for rest and playtime. Altogether, the entire range of a single group can encompass up to 16 square miles. The mountain gorilla inhabits a very narrow range within Central Africa. The main population centers are found in the Mgahinga Gorilla National Park and the Bwindi Impenetrable National Park in Uganda, as well as the Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda, and the Virunga National Park in the Democratic Republic of Congo. As the name implies, the subspecies prefers the forested regions of mountain habitats between 8,000 and 13,000 feet up. Their most common habitats include the rainforest, the bamboo forest, subalpine grasslands, and mixed forests. Mountain gorillas feast on several different tasty vegetation, including roots, fruit, flowers, leaves, and tree bark. Although largely herbivorous, they have been known to eat insects if no other food options are around. The exact dietary composition depends on the variety of local plants and trees available. The gorillas spend around a quarter of their day munching on up to 75 pounds of food. With their long intestines and unique molars, they are specially adapted for eating and breaking down plant matter. Gorillas also play an important part in dispersing seeds around the environment. Due to its sheer size and strength, the mountain gorilla has few natural predators in the wild. Only big animals such as leopards and crocodiles have been known to routinely kill lone gorillas, particularly gorilla children and babies. No predator is fierce enough to take on an entire united troop, however. With few natural predators, the greatest threat to their survival has been human activity, including warfare, illegal hunting, and habitat loss from mining, agriculture, and industry. A type of agricultural practice known as slash and burn, in which farmers clear land by burning away the vegetation, is particularly detrimental to the mountain gorilla's habitat. And because humans and gorillas are so similar, it is not uncommon for diseases to make the leap between species during moments of close contact. Climate change will further exacerbate the threat of a changing environment to which the gorilla will need to adapt. Due to the fragile social organization of the mountain gorillas, the death of the leading male can have a profound effect on the group and unravel the entire social structure. If there is no suitable replacement for a leader immediately available, then the group may split apart permanently.